seeing how long it takes me to become the guardian and gorilla tag. Here we go! Alright. This will get me a special view. Him again? It's the planks. Yo, what the heck? How is this guy not even catching me? Me. Yeah, she's gonna actually. I think this might be a bat scam or what? What? She put me stuck. I knew this was too true to be good. Wait, what? What is she doing? She putting me where I want to be? Oh. No. I'm literally stuck. Come on. What's it getting? Me? Alright, let's see if this can be a part 2. Let's see. Wait, is this? Did they actually? Yo. Okay, yeah. You're an OG. You're obviously coming on. What? It's her. She was literally the one. Is she gonna throw me? I think she's gonna let me become the guardian again since I let her be it. No way. Is she actually? Yeah, we're definitely having a part 2 in the video night, not like another video that's a part 2. Thank you. I'm gonna challenge myself to have 4 parts. And no way.